Hello, good morning mga repa, mga moms. Hello. Welcome again to our vlog, Team Liberreal. So, this is it. Ito na yung isa sa mga pinakahihintay ng Team Liberreal na ganapan ngayong summer. Alright. Alright. Pakita natin sa inyo yung ating all the camping essential, all are stocked. Buti na lang may truck. Ayan, hindi ko sa inyo pinakita kung paano namin nilagay yan, no? Pero talagang ano yan, talagang maraming galawan yan. Ang daming galawan. At nagkasya naman lahat. And hopefully okay na yan. Yep, almost done. So we are going to camping for 4 days, right? Ayan.
After 4 days.
Sa mga repa, no? Sa mga repa, samahan nyo kami ngayon sa aming camping, okay? Come and join us to our camping, okay? It will be exciting and fun. At pakakaabangan talaga, okay? Alright, see you later!
See you later.
Alright, we're here in our destination! Pila muna tayo dito sa reception. At syempre sa ano na to, camping natin na to, kasama natin ang Team Nabi pala. Sa pila muna tayo.
I like it.
Right. Remember this place? Oh, dyan tayo tatawid mamaya. Wow. Ito ang ganda ng spot niya eh, no? Ayan na, camping na naman tayo mga repa, mga mamshi. Samahan nyo kami. Yes. Mga puno talaga yung mga campers, oh. Pero wala pa yung RV natin. Mamaya pa yung RV natin. Dito na tayo.
Ayan po, mga repa, mga momshi. Andito na kami ngayon sa sa first landing, Virginia Beach. So, sineset up na po nila ngayon yung namin, yung bubong. Yung bubong. Alam nyo bang gawin yan? Ayan, pinifigure out pa nila kung paano. Naji boy!
Nadulo pa yung ayaw mo lang, layo mo.
Place the carbon frame in the center of the design.
Ito ka, makmakana.
Lift frame off the ground while walking
Ay, mali.
backwards. Ganyan! Walk backwards.
Walk backwards ka, walk backwards.
Yes!
Lap na. Ano mo dito sa Dila pa yun.
Then open frame completely.
Para niyo punit. Pwede pa. Mahaba.
Yan na yun. Mamaya nyo pa siya itataas.
And then
Oo nga, Daddy. Oh, wait lang. Pause, pause.
Wait lang bahay. Wait lang bahay. 1, 2, 3, go.
ano ka boy?
Ito nga dapat yung
ganun pa natin pa. Dito, dikit natin dito. Kasi para may space. Dikit. Dikit pa. Yun na.
Kailangan natin ito. Siyempre kailangan may pailaw tayo dahil may makabisita tayo. Nagalit na sa kalating na probinsya. Paano to? Direksyon.
Pakibasa.
Pasa.
Before installation, unplug the string.
Unplug the string.
String nga.
String 1. Dad, wag mo itapon yung mga string. Hindi, tinapon mo.
Quality control po.
Loosen the black tie.
Ano?
Yung black tie.
Naalis na ata. Oo.
Then place the light in a circular pattern on the ground. On the ground.
Gusto nyo yung carpet? Baka kasi maano yan.
Hindi naman ano.
Gas-gas?
Oh, baka magasgas, Daddy. May carpet doon. Gusto nyo? Wait lang. Wait. Tignan kung gumagana.
Okay.
Okay.
Kaya natin gumagana kasi kung hindi gumagana, tatagalin natin ha. Moment of truth.
Okay, 1, 2. Yes! Asa? Hindi ma-appreciate pa. Dapat gabi. Gumagana po siya.
Ay, mamatay-matay.
Pali.
Okay na. Dalawin natin yung mga kasamahan natin dito. Ito si Kali.
Dapat talaga may bike.
Dyan na sila Geraldo. Yung dati, kanya kami dati nag-tent. Ang galing ito buo yan, sa atin lahat yan. Brad! Pasilan sila Kali. May tent. Bro, musta sa itong tent? Ayos
Ayun,
ganda oh. Hello! Susta! Ayos, ganyan style. May aircon oh.
Ganun kayo dati.
Ganyan kami dati. Ang ganda. Tapos ito kila Pastor Mar. Di ba?
Nag-tent lang sila.
Hi, Pas.
Hello, Pas. Basta po. Hello, Pas.
Meron ganun, di ba?
Wala siyang tali ganito?
Wala kaming tali. Kaya okay lang yun. Ganda lang pa tent nila, Pas. May aircon kayo, Pas, dyan? Ayos sa Paraces, wala pa yung mga sila Ate Aileen, di ba?
Pwede atang pumasok?
Pwede. You can go inside. Uy, ang ganda naka-setup no. Ay, may mesa. Sa tingin ko meron din tayong ganyan. Pero bago. Bago.
Kanila susunod.
Hindi, nakabukas siya nan.
Meron din ganito pala.
Ayun, may tukol na yan. Maganda tong nakuha ni ni Rada. Maganda CR. Ang ganda. Nice.
Ay, nakalak to.
Ang ganda. Ito, RB to.
Pwede dumaan dyan? Sige nga, Jaden. You let's take a first. You don't know that one.
Bago to. Ay, napagtanungan ko to, Napagtanungan ko to. Book na pala, yung pala, kay Rad pala. Ayun no, mayroon na silang outlet to. Repa, tinan mo to source ng tubig, Han. Tinan mo to. Ganda.
So, ayan na po mga Repa, mga Mamshi, no? Dumating na po yung nirent naming RV. Sa wakas. Sa wakas makakaset up na kami ni Mare. Makaayos na tayo, Mars.
Dito na kinakain.
So, sa mga may interest na rent ng RV every summer, I think narentahan namin to ng $700 for 4 days and 3 nights. Tapos, security deposit lang ng $700. Ayun nga, medyo malaki nga to.
Mga Repa, mga Mamshot, dumating na yung ating lakas yan, dumating na yung ating munting bahay for 4 days. Ayan na. Alright, checkin natin yan. Digit na. Tingnan ito. Pero mga UP yan. Ayan, may nakita na tayong UP. Ito UP oh. Buti nandito si Master
Tayo ko muna yung tent ng
mga bata. Haba nga. Okay na yan, Carol, no? Ang So, ito na. Nag-set up na.
Uy, kapangalan mo ah.
Saan? Oo, Jayco. Jayco lang eh.
Muntik ng JV yun, Jayco.
Alright, set up na ta. Set up na siya. Hindi kailangan LPG yan.
Hindi na natin kailangan.
Oo, dyan na pala eh. Oh. Ang dami na pala rip. At saka ito, Repa, mayroon pang ano. Tantaran. Ay, Repa, may ano pa oh. Uy! Nice ah. It's nice. I don't touch it. It's not for adult only. Ah, hindi. Ano pala yan? Wow! Di ba? See, that's nice. Mayroon pala tayong canopy ganyan, no?
Connect na lang natin yung atin.
Kukonek na lang natin para mahana. That's so nice. So this is our RV for 4 days and 3 nights. So we're gonna have an RV tour. So nakuha natin RV good for 10 person. Let's take a look. Diba? Parang mga artista lang. Alright. Oh wow, this is amazing. Alright. Where are the lights? Is this the...
Yeah, so this is the main cabin lights.
Okay.
The back bedroom and the front bedroom have push lights.
Push lights?
Yep, so they're right up in the ceiling.
All
So
right.
right there.
This one?
Yep.
That's nice.
And
I
then
don't know.
that's a speaker.
Alright,
You got
wow.
push lights right above the top of the...
Yeah. Wow, that's cozy.
So you got USB ports on that side and then regular outlets on both sides.
Okay. There's an oven? No. Okay.
I think we will cook outside. We will not do,
Even outside it's connected?
Yeah.
The outside burner?
So I'll show you how to do that because you have to connect the line. And then,
From the gas
and
tank.
you got to use a lighter to actually turn
Okay.
it on. Just like yeah, it's not. It doesn't have an igniter on it. Maybe we'll not use this. Yeah,
Where's the remote of the TV?
that's it. When you turn it on the back. Yep, so it's already turned on.
Alright.
It's labeled on the back,
Ah, okay, good.
and so this remote controls the back TV.
Alright.
Yep.
A lot of TV, huh?
Yeah. Oh yeah. And there's
About
a
this
key-
fireplace, it's working. It's
Yeah, you don't have to worry about the fireplace, but it throws off a bunch of heat. It's heats 1,000 square foot,
okay.
so
No need.
yeah, you won't need that.
Yes, yes. Okay.
And then if you've got iPhones, you can stream, connect it straight to this,
Yeah.
and you can stream right to that.
Alright, that's nice. This is nice and cozy. How about this room? Is there any special here?
This is my bed.
Yes, bank. Okay, back bed,
This
TV.
is my bed.
Alright.
And then you got this ladder for this bed,
Okay, okay. Alright.
and each bed has got its own set of
Sun
outlets.
socket
This
outlet.
is my
And-
bed.
They've
Yeah.
got their own
Yeah.
lights at each bed.
Yes, that's nice. Okay.
And the best part about this, you put the kids in here and
Okay, okay.
Lock
Then
them
we're
away.
quiet. Yes.
yep, tell them to be quiet, lock them away.
Lock them
all the
away.
day.
The toilet.
Yep, regular bath.
Alright,
And you
okay.
got an entrance in and out to the bathroom.
Alright. Sounds good. Okay.
See the little lips right there?
The light here is not working already. This one.
The switch is right
Switch one.
there. Nope.
Okay.
Nope.
Sorry. What's that?
That's the outlet.
Okay.
So it's
Ah, I thought it's push and pull. Okay.
so these two cushions come over like this.
All right. It's nice.
This is my tablet.
Oh, okay.
And then that makes a bed right there for you.
This one is just a regular thermostat, right?
Yep, just regular thermostat.
Okay.
I just leave it on auto so that way.
I won't touch this one because this
Well,
slide.
yeah, that's the back slide.
Okay. Don't touch this, huh? Okay. The light here, yeah.
These
Yeah.
two.
All right.
So this one right here is for the lights. This one here is for the under the couch lights.
Oh, how about a light outside? Do we have a light outside?
Yep. Yep. So that light is up here.
Okay.
That's this one.
Okay.
And
Alright, okay.
this one is for right above here.
Alright, okay. Okay. Everyone.
Sabi, anong bed gusto niyo?
Okay.
Sino sa taas?
Nice.
Nobody ever uses these.
Okay.
I think
Yeah.
nobody ever uses this.
Yeah. Yes, because
We
you know,
don't even use it.
better to use only outside.
Sabi ni Kuya Raul, pababa mo daw ng konti pa gano'n.
Can we, Mari, can we put this canopy a little bit slant so that the water will come, you know?
Yep, I'll show you.
Thank you. It can be a dining table, oh, Nepo. Nepo, see?
Kinulaps nga niya.
That's nice. Nice. Okay.
So if by chance,
Alright, natapos din tayo sa pag-prepare sa RV. So ngayon, punta tayo sa beachfront. Ito rin pa yung CR. Hello. Welcome to the vlog.
Hello. Oh wait. Hi vlog.
Hi guys, welcome to my vlog, welcome to my guys. Ayan. Pakita mo rin pa ang ating beachfront, ha? Welcome back. Jada Jo, welcome back. Yeah, we just went here before. Yeah, now again. Isn't it? We are looking forward for this day. Now is the day. And we already booked also for next year. Repa, ito yung nakaka-relax, Repa, di ba? Dagat. Diba? This is life, Repa. This is life, Repa, di ba? Tulungan kita dyan. Ito tayo mga Repa, dito tayo sa beachfront. Mga Repa, dito naman tayo sa beachfront ng Virginia Beach. It's the first landing. So ayan, sila kasama yung mga ka-church natin. Nag-enjoy sila parang Repang Jihan. Pastor, batid na rin. So dami-dami ngayon, masaya. Say hi to my vlog. Say hi to my vlog. Shoutout ka naman dyan sa vlog ko. Shoutout naman dyan. Oh, shout out. Hello. Welcome to my vlog. Ganda dito. We're here sa Virginia Beach. Ang lakas ng alon. Walang crab yan eh. Kapahinga mo tayo mga Repa dito. So ito, no?
Ha?
Ito yung pagkaklabing tayo. Bait natin, drumstick at may mabigat. Tapos ito, tutusok natin. Ay, may mga ginawa na tayo.
Ayos. Baka sinadyang makuha mo, ha? Baka sinadyang makuha. Epic fail. Take.
Ayun, laki na.
Smile. Go. Swim. Okay, go. 1, 2. Nice. Hintayin na lang natin yan. Mga ilang minuto? Mga ilang minuto?
Hindi, seconds lang yan.
Nasaan?
Pas, paano malalaman kung meron? Kami sinasabi ko dyan.
Nahirap maging videographer at saka lifeguard.
At least, you know, ayan ha. Ito, ganun lang ang kalabing dito. Tingnan nyo, pupunuin natin to.
Okay. Sarap yan. Narin natin. Ginataan crab. Lulu. Sige nga.
Papaganda mo kung may bumila. Ay, Repa, video mo to.
Okay. Ito na. Nakuha na nga eh. Ay, saan yung net? Ano ba yan? Hindi pala marunong. Ano ba to? Parang si... Sige nga. Meron na. Baka meron na. Baka meron na ano. Wala. Ayun.
Mas nung harap kami, ano lang, segundo lang. Dahil maalot? Makikita mo kung may umihila. May umihila eh. Lakas ng alot. Yan, kailangan scoop mo siya. Oh! Ayaw huli tayo! Ayaw huli! Ang galing masa mesa! Ayaw huli! Oh! Ayos! Ayos! Ang galing! Ayaw huli! Ang galing! Isa na! Isa! Praise the Lord! Meron na isa! Sayang naman! Hindi mo na ako ngayon. Okay, I will get another one live!
So mga repa, dami na nilang nakuha ang crab. Kita nyo naman, yan lang to steam. Tapos sausaw sa sukang pinakurat. Sarap. Again. Ha? I think the bait. Ano?
Walang po.
Oh, Daddy. Daddy, say hi. Padilim. Wala. Ayan po mga repa. Mukhang meron na naman siyang nahuli. Tignan natin mga kaibigan. Wala po. Fried chicken pa din. Sila pastor meron. Nice. Ilan yan, Pas? Dapat, ang goal nila is dapat mapuno daw to. Dapat daw mapuno yan.
Lapit na.
Totoo na yan? O sige. For real? Ayan! Yan! Yay! Dami na yan mamaya. Ulam na kami. May dinner na po kami.
Hindi ba pakita ka?
Ang goal nyo nga daw mapuno yan eh.
Bro, papupuno natin to.
Yan o.
Tayo.
Diba? Yan. Magkano din?
Dami na ano.
Yeah.
Habang kakrabing tayo, makakaiba dito ang crab oh. Iba siya oh. Nakakatakot siya, para siyang ano. Ancient crab. Wow. Pero ano status?
Grabe, masarap to, no? Ang taba. Ito, magaling magluto sa step niya.
Bro, kamusta na yan? Meron. Ano karami ang nahuli natin ngayon? Ayan, halos mapuno itong malaking balde na to. Bumas. Alright. So, babalik muna kami, Pas. Isan lang ang ganda ng sunset. Sunset. It's nice. Okay, balik na. Bukas ulit. Oh, mga repa, mga mamshi, oh. Ganda ng sunset, oh. Tumatama sa pisngi ko, no. Sarap. Masarap mag-crabbing. Hello! How's your first night glamping experience, repa? Mami, ikaw. This is our first glamping experience, di ba?
Satisfied. Satisfied siya.
At saka napaka-convenient niya. I mean, napaka-comfy, di ba? Yung ganitong glamping experience. Kasi tinan mo, for only ano to how much to? 113 per night. Tapos 3 nights to, 4 days, 3 nights.
700.
At in total kasama taxes, pati disposal fee, 733. Tapos, ano pa yun? Yung deposit na 700. Not bad. For 2 families, 10 person. Actually, hindi lang to 10 person.
Pero daddy, yung deposit mo is security deposit yun na.
Hindi yun ba? No? Siguro, balik pa rin yun. It comes with the fridge. It comes with the oven. May burner, may microwave, may sink, may CR. May kwarto na parang alam mo, main room. May bunker bed. Itong ipuan nating couch na to, couch bed to. At saka, hindi ka malamok. Aircon ka pa. Diba? First time na experience siya, Repa, kamusta?
Is it closer a lot, Daddy?
Pagod. Bukas ito, second day, pinakamasaya.
Godzilla. Okay, then, how's your experience? Are you happy? Good?
Bloop is the biggest.
Huh?
Bloop is bigger than...
Blue. Yes, you're right.